Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log in to CashApp with phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. You can also open up your CashApp application on your mobile device or your laptop. Go to the search box at the top and type in cash.app and you will then get to the official website for CashApp. Once you get to the website, click on Login at the top right corner. In the login page, you can use the email option or the phone option to log in. To use phone number to log into your account, first of all, in the mobile number text box, select your country from the drop-down and enter a valid phone number. After entering a valid phone number, click Continue. Now, simply enter the confirmation code you received and click on Continue. Enter your cash PIN that you've set for your CashApp account and then you will be able to log into CashApp with phone number. That is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.